In this video, you'll learn how to obtain a free promo code for Olymp Trade. By following these steps, you will increase your chances of finding valid promotional offers that can enhance your trading experience. Start by visiting the official Olymp Trade website or open the app on your device. Once you are on the home page, look for any banners or alerts that highlight ongoing promotions. These can often be found at the top of the page and may indicate limited time offers. During special events, holidays, or trading competitions, promo codes are frequently advertised. To stay informed, consider subscribing to their newsletter, which delivers updates directly to your email. Additionally, following Olymp Trade's official social media channels can provide access to exclusive promo codes. It is essential to ensure that the codes are valid and issued by Olymp Trade to avoid potential scams. Next, consider joining Olymp Trade communities and forums where traders actively share deals and promo codes. Platforms such as Telegram groups, trading blogs, and dedicated forums often feature verified promo codes shared by members. When engaging in these communities, do so respectfully and take the time to verify any codes that are shared before using them. Be cautious of user-generated codes from unverified sources, as these may be expired or unsafe. Always read the community rules and trust only well-known groups with a high member count. By participating in discussions, you may unlock community-exclusive promo offers, which can further improve your access to valuable deals. Once you have obtained a promo code, it is important to use it at the correct time, whether during account sign-up or when making a deposit, depending on the terms of the offer. Before proceeding, ensure you fully understand the promo conditions, including any minimum deposit requirements or expiry dates associated with the code. Following the instructions exactly as outlined is crucial for successful redemption. Keep a record of both the promo code and its associated terms for future reference. If you encounter any issues where a code does not work, it is advisable to contact Olymp Trade support to verify the status of the code. They can provide clarification on whether the code is still valid or if there are any issues preventing its use. Always utilize official channels for support to ensure you receive accurate information and avoid invalid or fraudulent codes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.